guys, my name is Fernando from SYBO Kitchen, and today I will show you how to replace a spout for a 50 and 100 cups coffee maker. Okay, in the first step, remove the lid, basket, and stem. Next, unscrew the bolt securing the spout to the coffee maker, and to make this easier, use a wrench. Once the bolt is removed, also take off the metal ring and rubber ring, like so. After removing the metal ring and rubber ring, the spout should come off easily. You should receive a spout from SYBO like this, with replacement ring, replacement rubber, and a replacement bolt. When replacing the spout, make sure to remove the rubber ring, the metal ring, and the bolt. Also, make sure the second rubber ring is fully inside the spout. Okay, next, place the spout into the coffee maker. Grab the second rubber ring and make sure the additional spacing is facing in the coffee maker. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let it focus real quick. There's some spacing right there. Yeah, so you're gonna make sure that is facing toward the interior of the coffee maker. Okay, so once that's on, you want to grab the metal ring and make sure the spacing side, let it focus, the spacing side aligns with the rubber ring. Once that's on, grab your bolt, and I will try my best to show you in the video. There is some spacing in the bolt, and make sure that is facing within the coffee maker, not with the spout. Okay, and then once the bolt is tight, make sure your spout doesn't move back and forth. If it doesn't, then this means your bolt is nice and tight on the actual spout with the coffee maker. Okay guys, if you encounter any issues while switching out your new spout, please reach out to our customer support team at cs@sybo.us or give us a call at 650-735-1862. We are here to help, as customer satisfaction is a #1 priority. Thank you.